And what does O says? O says what does it say? Yes, here is my vowel. Oh, 1 second. Yes, now today O says that I have got bored of my old friends. I need somebody new today to play with. So who is going to come? Okay, I have to find one friend for me. Will you all help me to find a new friend? Let's see. Yes. Ting ting. Now O says, I want a new friend. I want a new friend. No, not G. So went outside on the road. Anybody here? Anybody here? First of all, let's see which letter is coming. Wait, listen to me. Yes, Miha.
Today's Wednesday.
Yeah. Is it Wednesday today? Yes, it's Wednesday today. Prithvi, wait. I'll tell you who's coming. Okay. Let's see. Then went on the road outside and says says who is coming to be my friend, and he's very excited. He's looking, saying he's asking who is there, but he saw all of you. And he says, oh, hi, Christopher. Hi, Kivansh. Hi, Prithvi. Hi, Miha. Hello, Siddharth. Say hi to Say hi. Where are you going today? And whom do you want today? Do you want a new friend today?
You want a friend today?
Ask do you want a new friend today?
You want friend today?
Yes, I want a new letter friend today. So somebody was saying, and somebody came from the other side of the road. And who was that? That was the letter.
Don't tell the name, only write, ma'am.
Okay, I will write. I will not tell you the name. Okay. Very good. What sound does it say? It says. It says. Yeah, B is the name. Okay. It says Okay. Let's. Now, Ba says, hi, everyone. Hello, everyone. I am here. How are you, Miha? How are you, Prithvi? How are you, Christopher? How are you, Eden? How are you, Siddharth? How are you, Kivansh? Tell the letter, how are you all?
I am fine.
Okay, Siddharth is fine. So, and They says today whole day we are going to be together. Okay.
Then it make him
Wow, Viha. So says, come near, stand with me. Bird jumped and came here, and they stood together and they played together, and their sound were also friends with each other, and they said up, 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 up. Yes. So, what is the sound? Can you all sing the sound now? So, whenever you see O and D together, What would they say? They would say
Ob.
Very good. Clap for all of you. Clap for yourself. Wonderful. You have learned the sound ob. Now we are going to put more letters with ob, and we are going to see more words. We are going to see more words from ob sound. So what is the sound? Ob.
Miss Raman, can we watch a story?
Today I'll draw a story. Can I draw a story?
Please. No.
Okay, so after I draw a story, I will show you a story also.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. All right, thank you. So let's go to the next page and let's draw another friend who's coming to meet you today. Eden, what happened to you? Put your device a little down so that I can see you. I can just see your head. And Eden, you are a good boy, right? Look at your friends. How do they sit for the class? They sit so nicely. They listen to ma'am. They don't trouble. So see, we only do stories here, no? So much fun. So look here. Okay, I will ask you, what did I tell? मैं पूछूंगी आपसे. So in this story, we have a boy, and that boy is a big boy. He's not a small boy like small child like you all. It's a big boy. Okay. So let me make that boy here.
Okay.
And this boy,
Biggest boy.
yeah,
Raman.
it's a
And also girl also there.
only boy today.
Okay.
Okay.
This side. Yeah.
Right. Yeah, and his name is
Ronnie.
his name has ob. His name has ob sound. What is his name? His name is
This is grandpa.
grown up. A grown up boy is called a man, right? Right?
Yes, but this
Mustaches. I've drawn the mustaches. So he is a big grown up boy, and his name is
ma'am.
Yes, Miha, I'm writing the name. Now you have to help me and read the name. Okay, his name is
Bob.
Yes, very good. His name is
Bob the Builder.
Bob the Builder. So his name is Bob and Ob. What is his name? Bob
Bob.
and Ob. Bob. Say hi, Bob.
Hi, Bob.
Bob. How are you, Bob? What are you doing? You're such a big boy. What do you do? So Bob says, hello, children. Do you want to listen to my story?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we are already listening to the story. Christopher, what happened to you? Christopher is a naughty boy. Okay. So Bob, one day, Bob was having something. Let me draw that. What was Bob eating? Okay, so what kind of person Bob is? Bob is a very lazy person. Very lazy person. He does not do anything. When boys, yeah, he's keep on eating junk food, and all the time he likes to sleep. So lazy, and all the time he just keep on eating. He does not do any work. And see, he is such a big boy. He's a man. So when boys grow up, they become big. They do jobs. They do work, right? They earn money. But he is not doing anything. He is very lazy, and he just don't want to do anything. So one day he was eating.
The money.
He's not earning any money. He's not doing any work. He was just eating this one day. Let me draw it and let me tell you what is this.
Okay.
What is this?
Corn.
These small, the seeds and the circles inside are called corns. Okay, but the whole thing is called yes. What is it called, Siddharth?
Corn.
Yes, we call it corn. But you know, when the seeds are out in our hands, small, small, those are called corns. But what do you call it as a whole? इसको पूरा क्या बोलते हैं हम? इसको पूरा क्या बोलते हैं? इसको बोलते हैं cob.
Cob.
Cob. Cob. Okay, so one
Cob.
day, Bob. Now please help me writing cob. How should I write cob? I'll write k and then I'll write ob. Okay, cob. Cob. Yes. So one day, Bob was having cob. Yum yum yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. He was eating it, and he was so lazy. And then he had a cob, and then he went and he slept off. And now Bob's mother was very angry from Bob. Very angry. Let me make one angry mother also. Very angry, and she went up and I'll just make the face of the mother because I don't have space here. Okay, so angry mother
Like this.
Like mama. Okay. So angry mommy went to Bob, and angry mommy says, Bob, you always sleep, you don't do any work, you have eaten so much cob today and you are sleeping. Look at your friends, they have grown up, they have finished their studies, and they all go out and work. And when you go to the office, when you grow up and when you go to the office, what do you call? I do a
Job.
yes, very good. So mommy says that you should go and look for a job for yourself. Don't be so lazy. You are such a big man now. Go out and look for a job. So
Yes.
how do you write job? What should I write first? What
Job.
Wonderful. Very good.
J and up.
Very good. Job and ob. Job. So Bob says, I'm so sleepy. I will go tomorrow. Now, mother, please let me sleep. Huh? Okay. And okay, so mommy says, tomorrow I will not listen to any excuse. Early morning, you will get up, you will have your breakfast, you will take your files, and you will go and search for a job. Okay. So he was such a careless man also that he did not pay any attention to anyone and just kept on sleeping and kept on eating. So next morning, mother says, okay, now get up, it's time for you to go and hunt for a job for yourself. So he unwillingly he got up. Today I have to go and find a job for myself. Okay. So he took a bath, and mother gave some money to him that you will need some money. You will go in a taxi, you will eat something, so you should take some money from me. You keep your some money in the pocket. Okay. So he was so careless that he was walking on the road. Let me draw him somewhere here. Walking.
He's walking on the road, and then he found the office, and
no, see, he is walking here. Okay, let me draw a smaller Bob. Now, the small picture of Bob. Bob is walking, and he kept his money in the. Where did he keep his money? He kept his money in the hand only. He did not put inside the pocket, and he's walking. Do we walk on the road like this? Do we keep money in the hand and walk on the road like this?
no.
Never. We should be careful about it, right? Children, they don't carry money. Yeah, but big people, they carry money. We should keep money inside the wallet, inside the purse, and you should keep it nicely, and we should be very careful about it. So what happened? Yeah. Yes, Prithvi?
The Bob take the money, and he found a candy shop, and he buy the candy with the money.
He bought the candy with the money. No, because he's very big. No, big boys, they don't eat candies, na? Right? So what happened? He was so careless. He was walking on the road with the money in the hand only. And there was a thief standing far away looking at him. See?
Take on the money.
Yes. And this is the thief who was standing far away and he saw, okay, wow. So I is wearing a mask on the eye. He's a thief. And he ran and he took Bob's money and ran away from there. And then Bob was crying. What will I tell my mother now? My mother gave me money to eat something, to go and look for a job. But this man has stolen my money. And do you know there is a word for that? I'm writing that word. You have to read and tell me what is ma'am writing, okay? So the word is rob. Very good. The word is rob and rob. So Bob was robbed by the thief. Okay. And then that day he thought that I am so careless. I'm so lazy. I do not listen to anybody. How careless I can be. I should not do like this. Now I will be a good man. I will search a nice job for myself. And without having any food, anything, he went into an office and he was given a job. And then the mother was very happy. He told his mother everything and mother says, no worries. You have realized that you should be a good boy. So I am happy. Please be careful for the next time. I'm happy that you have got a job. So eyebrows also. Okay. So should I erase the eyebrows and make a happy eyebrows? Miha? Yes, Miha?
Also the one with the thief with and
thief is having the money now. Thief robbed Bob. Okay, but Bob got the job.
And also some thieves are good and then they have gun and then they shoot the bad thief.
Yes, so we should be very careful and we should be very cautious. Okay, now let's read out the words loudly. We have seen 4 words here. Let's read them.
Bob, job, rob, job.
Turn your camera on, Vikram. Cob, rob, rob,